Good morning students. In the last class we learned about different number of the chambers in different animals, and in this class we are going to learn about human cardiovascular system, which includes muscular heart and a network of closed branching blood vessels and blood. And if we see the structure of the heart is mesodermal in origin and it is a thick walled, muscular and pulsating organ situated in the mediastinum. The mediastinum is a space in between of the two lungs. Here it is a mediastinum and you can see the location of the heart. And the apex of the heart is slightly turned to the left, and it is of the size of the heart is one's clenched fist. The heart is covered by a double-walled pericardium. The heart is covered by a double-walled pericardium. If you see here also how the heart is covered by a double-walled pericardium, and here also you can see the entire heart is covered by a double-walled pericardium. If you see the structure of the pericardium, it is a double layered, which is outer fibrous pericardium and inner serous pericardium. Outer fibrous pericardium, inner serous pericardium, and the serous pericardium again it consists two layers: outer parietal layer, inner visceral layer. Outer parietal layer and inner visceral layer. The parietal layer is fused with the fibrous pericardium, whereas the visceral layer it fuses the surface of the heart and forms outer layer, that is called epicardium. That is called epicardium. Here you can see the serous pericardium. It also consists of two layers, which is outer parietal layer, inner visceral layer. The parietal layer is fused with the fibrous pericardium, whereas the visceral layer it fuses with the surface of the heart and forms its outer layer, that is epicardium. And the two layers are separated by a narrow pericardial space, that is called pericardial cavity. In between of two layers there is a space, that is called pericardial cavity, and the pericardial cavity is filled with the pericardial fluid. This fluid reduces the friction between the two membranes and allows the free movement of heart. And the wall of the heart consists of three layers. If you see the structure of the wall of the heart, which is having three layers, they are outer epicardium and the middle myocardium and the inner endocardium. The middle layer, which is the myocardium, is a thicker layer of all the cardiac muscles, and the innermost endocardium is thin layer. The endothelium covers the heart walls and is continuous with the endothelial lining of the large blood vessels connected to the heart. If you see the wall, the structure of the wall of the heart is covered by three membranes, which is outer membrane is epicardium, the middle layer is myocardium, and the inner layer is endocardium. The endocardium is thinner than the remaining, and the myocardium is thicker than the remaining. And this endothelium covers the heart walls, and also it continues with the endothelial lining of the large blood vessels connected to the heart.